Just blaze, make it knock.
Ladies, if you walking through the mall and you hear somebody say,
Easy,
you gotta turn back at them. And you know what? I gotta do the same thing.
come on. Tell them what's
It's
up.
that new 2003 car, ladies.
For sure.
The shizzle.
It's so dead.
All I'm trying to do is get my dough up.
Yeah.
I'm your boy, you my girlfriend, stop hold
Hold
up.
up.
I ain't in no kind of rush to grow up, so slow
Slow it up.
I'm just playing the game.
Yeah.
Before you down, before you get involved with me, I might think you got me, but you never really get me.
So don't trip if you see me doing my thing. I told ya.
Bow
I'm
wow.
just playing the game.
I'm at the mall on Saturday. I ain't got no cap on my salary, so you know I'm tearing it up. I mean, there's so many girls here. Every time I look, I see them looking back at me and they saying, what up? I'm too young to wife something, so you know my game pumping like, baby, let's talk, let's hang, do something. But about them bitches, can I get that? She write them down, I give a pound and say my holla back. Next door, just more of the same activity. I'm up in Tiffany's talking to this girl named Brittany. She tryna roll with me, she tryna shop with me, she tryna do whatever it takes to get with me. Like I'm easy. How you gon' act like my name ain't Bow Weezy and I ain't got breezy? Coming about a dozen, that's why the phone buzzing. I'm sorry, but I ain't looking for